Welcome to today's session on Power BI. Ever wondered when to use a card visual versus a KPI visual? Stick around, because I'll show you how these tools differ and how to use them effectively in your dashboards. Unearth has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. First, let's talk about the card visual. It's simple, sleek, and perfect for highlighting a single, static value. Imagine you're presenting total sales for the month or the average revenue per customer. That's where cards shine. Here are its key characteristics. A card shows one single data point, clean and easy to understand. It's perfect for presenting metrics without comparisons or trends. Plus, it looks great on dashboards when you need quick, clear insights. Here's when you'd use a card. To show current totals, like total sales or revenue for a specific period. To highlight summarized metrics, such as total customers or profit margin. And for static reporting, when there's no need for trends or targets. Now let's move to the KPI visual. Think of it as your performance tracker. It goes beyond static numbers by adding context, trends, and progress indicators. For example, a KPI might show sales progress toward a monthly target or how your profits compare to last year. Let's break down its key characteristics. It highlights a main value, like current sales or revenue. It includes a target value, so you can see progress at a glance. And it often features trend indicators, like arrows or color coding, to highlight performance. Here are the top use cases for a KPI. Goal tracking, measuring how close you are to hitting a sales target or retention goal. Trend monitoring, visualizing month-over-month growth or tracking profits year-to-date. Performance analysis, comparing actual versus target values to find improvement areas. So, how do you choose between a card and a KPI? Use a card when you need simplicity. For example, when you're showing total revenue or a static metric like headcount. No trends, no targets, just a number. On the other hand, choose a KPI when context matters. If you're tracking goals or analyzing trends, a KPI is your best friend. Stakeholders can quickly see if metrics are on track or if action is needed. And that's a wrap. Cards for simplicity, KPIs for performance tracking. Which one do you use most often? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more Power BI tips and tricks. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.